Hello world, I am TT from Sri Lanka. This is where the day begins. A simple drive out through not as easy as it looks. Space is tight here and every river takes a bit of patience, but that's a part of daily life, you know. And today we are heading somewhere meaningful. So let's go.
I see her boots at the corner cafe with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named while I stay in my lane. But something in the way she moves
Today we are heading to a temple area to feed the monkeys. My friend's brother
oh
is
travel
sponsoring this day, and we have bought around 21 kilos of bananas. That white shirt is my friend's brother.
leaving behind what I hold inside.
You know, the road is really bad, so many potholes, and even the bigger one like a well.
Never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance.
At first they keep their distance, watching, waiting, and unsure, but slowly curiosity takes over. One step closer, then another, until finally they accept what we have bought. We keep our distance too, because this isn't about us, this is about them and their way of life. These monkeys follow their own natural rhythm, and we believe it should stay that way. Respecting nature, even in small ways, is the real reward. After feeding them, we had a bit of fun shooting Instagram reels, and then returned home. When we are, I carefully parked the car again. That's it. Okay, if you want to see the full video, drop a comment below. We will share with you. Thank you, and don't forget to see my pet. I don't want to say it's dog. It's my pet. His name is Kundumani. Yes, to watch him. Okay, have a nice day. Bye.
If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance. Maybe next year in Madrid or on some quiet